In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recover your unsaved file in AutoCAD. If AutoCAD crashed or closed unexpectedly, don't panic. AutoCAD often preserves work through recovery tools and backups. When you relaunch the program, a panel called the Drawing Recovery Manager usually appears automatically. This panel scans for recoverable versions of drawings from the last session. If you don't see it, type Drawing Recovery in the command line and press Enter. In the panel, locate your drawing name, then double-click the listed backup to open a recoverable version so you can continue working. If the recovery panel doesn't have what you need, the next place to check is AutoCAD's autosave files. Extension and are created at regular intervals while you work. To find where they're stored, type Options or simply OP. In the command line to open the Options dialog, go to the Files tab and expand Automatic Save File Location. This shows the exact folder path where autosaves are written. Open Windows File Explorer and navigate to that folder. Look for a file with a .sv extension that matches your drawing name and a timestamp close to when you were working. Sorting the folder by date modified can help you quickly spot the latest candidate. Copy that .sv file to a safe location such as your desktop. Then change its file extension from .sv to .dwg. If you don't see file extensions in Windows, they may be hidden by default. You can enable file extensions so the rename is visible. Once renamed to .dwg, open the file in AutoCAD to load the autosaved version. Another reliable option is the backup file that AutoCAD creates whenever you save a drawing. This file uses the .bake extension and lives alongside your original .dwg. Open the folder where your original DWG is saved, and look for a file with the same name but a .bake extension. Copy that .bake file to a safe place. Then rename the extension from bake to .dwg. Open the renamed file in AutoCAD. The .bake usually reflects the previous manual save, while the .sv reflects an autosave. Depending on when the crash happened, one may be closer to your latest changes than the other. With these built-in tools to restore work and get back on track quickly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.